app not responding. If your application is not responding, your app is freezing like this, don't close it yet. Do this first. Welcome to this channel, a channel that helps you fix application, program, or fix computer problems. When an app stops responding, don't rush to restart your PC. That will not help. First, try Task Manager Fix. Task Manager are where application or some configuration that is deep into the computer system that you can manage. Let's go into direct steps. The first step is to press the Ctrl-Shift-Escape on the keyboard. You wait for the Task Manager to appear. Yes. On the processes, you will see some apps. You will see some background apps. Choose any application. You find the app that don't want to stop. Let me say Microsoft Edge, and then you click on End Task. You see, it will stop. There's no more Microsoft Edge onto your processing. That means your application has stopped. So any application that don't want to stop or is not responding, follow these steps. If it keeps happening, your RAM is overloaded. That means your RAM is more useful. This is 88% of your memory is used. That means reduce the performance or reduce some application in the background. That means close background applications. That will lead you to a better app loading. If this helps, comment freezing for more fixes. On the next video, I'll show you more concerning computer problem fix. Like this channel, follow, subscribe, and click on the notification icon for more videos. Thank you.